Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Vidmate and tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Wait 1 to 2 seconds for the menu to load fully. Tap Settings in the Account menu to open Display and App options. Scroll slowly to find Theme or Display Preferences listed near Audio and Downloads. Ensure your Vidmate version is 4.520 or later before changing themes. Update the app from your device store if you see no theme option. Close any interfering pop-ups before find theme or display and choose dark from the available options. Tap the theme entry once to open light, dark, and system choices. Choose dark and wait for the interface to switch colors immediately. If the app does not change, toggle dark mode off and on again. Some devices will prompt you to restart Vidmate to apply changes. Restart the app if requested and confirm the toolbar, menus, and video player display a dark background. Use System Theme to sync Vidmate with Android or iOS dark mode settings. Open your phone display settings and enable System Dark Mode if you prefer global control. Vidmate will follow the system preference when you select the system option. If dark mode fails, clear app cache from App Info to remove stale settings. Update the app to the latest release to fix theme bugs. Reinstall Vidmate as a last resort if dark mode still does not work for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.